Hello friends, today I'm showing you this electronic piggy bank for cash and coins for kids. It's a safe money bank, mini ATM machine, auto scroll paper money, and password protected for toys and kids. So all the instructions are provided on the back of this bag, and let me just open the box and show you what's inside. So this is the piggy bank. You can see that in the back there is a battery cover. Batteries were not supplied with it, and you have to use your own AA batteries. There are 3 batteries you require to put in this. So overall this is all plastic, and this is the coin. You have to put it for the coin. And let me just open this for adding the battery first. So these are 3 AA batteries that you need to put inside this. So I'm putting these 3 AA batteries, closing the cover, and show you the working. So as you can see it here, that I'm trying to put a coin on the top, so it goes without any issue. And then there is for the paper money, and this is the automatic roll. So the sensor should sense your money and see it goes inside. The green light will start blinking and the sound will come, so that you know that your paper is actually rolling down inside it. The default password is 4 zeros, so you have to put the 4 zeros and put the knob in to open this. So there is a funny sound, or the realistic sound, that opens this drawer, and you can see the space inside, and there is a button that you can change the password. So you can use this button if you want to change the password, and then just close it. So it's pretty simple use but fun for the kids. And you can see it's all plastic from the corners. This is the coin saying, this is all the stickers, though it will not sense which denomination is that. This is for the handle and the password key protection, and this is all. You can remove this protective sheet if you want to. This is for the speaker, and this is for the battery. So overall it's a fun password protected automatic paper roll money piggy bank for kids.